Okay, everybody. Today we're at Gateway Classic Cars. It's the Philadelphia showroom, but it's located in Runnemede, New Jersey. 195 9th Avenue, Runnemede, New Jersey. This is going to be my first time here, so I hear they have over 200 cars or so. So we'll check it out and see what they have and enjoy the show. And like always, get the popcorn ready. But this is the outside of the building. All right. I'll see you inside. Okay, the first one up here is a 1966 Shelby Cobra. There's a sharp car there. This is their showroom. They got about 4 cars in here. This car is going for $97,000. Got the V8. Nice interior. Okay. Got the 427 Cobra. All right. Beautiful paint. These cars fly when they go down the road. It's a whole lot of engine, in a small car. And we have a 65 Factory 5 Cobra. I don't know if you've ever been on the website for Factory 5, but they have several cars that you can that they make. They make a couple different Cobras. I think they just came out with the hard top this year. If you ever get a chance, go ahead and check that site out. It's nice paint. Take a look at the interior. Okay. It's a pretty car. Okay, this one's going for $76,000. 5.0 liter V8, 5-speed manual. The paint's called Black Cherry. Interior is black. That's a nice car. All right, here we go. Nice Camaro here. SS. 1968. 350 V8, 4-speed manual. Shed some light so you can see the interior. Got the Hurst shifter. White vinyl top. This one's going for $79,000. That's sharp. Got the red line tires. Beautiful car. Yeah, nice Jaguar. That's a sharp car. Got the brown leather interior. Look at that interior. The dash, wood grain. Look how small the shifter is.
Hey, how are you? Good.
That's nice.
Is it possible just to check out the show? Yeah, absolutely. Anything in between?
Okay. Now we're inside the main showroom. They got around 150 cars back here, I was told. Boy, where do you start? There's a nice red GTO back there. Okay. We'll start walking down this way, see what we have. Okay. Nice Plymouth. That is a real nice red color in the exterior. Okay, we got a 1940 Plymouth sedan delivery, $95,000. 5.7 liter Hemi engine. Boy, look at that engine bay. Very nice, comfortable interior. Those seats look very comfortable. It's got like the wood grain dashboard there. Very sharp. Got the wood plank flooring there in the back. Very sharp car. Okay, this is a 1956 Chevy 210. It currently doesn't have a price on it, so you're going to have to check the website. You got a straight 6-cylinder. Engine bay is very clean. Two-tone exterior paint. A nice car. Okay, here's a 1969 Z28. This one's beautiful. Now this is an auction car, so you're going to have to go on the website and if you're interested, I guess do the online auction. I tell you, this is a nice one right here. It's beautiful. Very nice paint. Okay, there's the interior. That's a good looking car. Okay, here we have a 1963 Chevy Nova. This must be another auction car because there's no price on it. Nice orange, white, and black interior. I had a 62 convertible. It was a Chevy 2. That was just a pre-Nova, precursor to a Nova. It's sharp. Okay, here we have a nice 1955 Chevy truck here, 3100 series. Look at the chrome on the front end of this thing. Beautiful. This is a nice truck. This one's going for $39,000. It's got the straight 6 engine, 4-speed manual transmission. 78,611 miles. This is actually a pretty good price for this truck. A lot of work involved. Nice wood bed there. Sharp truck. See if I can get him the inside here. Nice interior. Looks like this one was done right. Very nice. Okay, we have a good one here. It's a 2002 Monte Carlo SS. And it claims to have only 93 original miles. Got the, looks like a gray interior. Automatic. Now this is the SS Intimidator model for number 3 Dale Earnhardt. So that brings up the value a little bit there for you race fans. There you go, there's the Intimidator. Body's nice and straight. And this one's going for $35,000. Got the V6. And like I said, 93 miles. This thing was not driven. Okay. Okay, here we have a 1969 Dodge Coronet RT. Convertible.
These prices over here are not nice. They're a little steep. How much is this?
Now this one's going for $102,000. The old Mopars, man, they're going for a lot of money. If they're in good shape, they ask for a lot. But you got to figure how much time and money is spent on restoring these cars. And it's getting harder and harder to find parts. Very nice. Okay, next we have a 1967 GTO. I love my GTOs. And here's another good example. Nice car. This one's going for $75,000. Of course, it has the V8. Automatic. Here's a shot of the interior.
$18,000 for interior, $42,000 for paint.
It's nice paint. Okay. Very sweet. Okay, a 1967 MG, type MGB, going for $16,000. Yeah, these cars are parked pretty close together, so it's sometimes hard to get the whole car in, but since this is small car, it's a little easier. Okay, of course we have the convertible top here, manual transmission. Yeah, this is a nice little buggy. For 16 grand, take it home, right? Okay, here we have a 1979 Volkswagen Beetle. For all you Beetle fans out there. And it's a convertible top. Nice orange paint. 17,500. Got the 4-cylinder air-cooled engine, of course. Shed some light on this interior. Nice black interior. Okay, there's your engine bay. You can probably drop that engine out of there in 45 minutes. Doesn't take long. Okay, very nice. Okay, here we have a 1956 Ford F-100. Two-tone paint, silver on the top, white on the bottom. This one's going for $66,000. Got the V8 automatic transmission. Oh, look at that interior. Very nice. Looks comfortable for a long cruise. It almost looks like a pearl white on the bottom end there. Yeah, look at those wheels. Very nice. I like the way they hid the tail lights in the rear wheel wells there. Nice bed cover there. That's a nice truck. Okay, this one's a 1931 Model A. It's a flat black paint on the exterior. Front disc brakes. Electric cooling fan. That's a big carburetor underneath there. Got the automatic transmission. Okay, there's the interior. Okay, very nice. Okay, here we have a 1930 Chevy pickup here. Going for $70,000. It's sharp looking. Nice interior. And I don't know, I can't remember if I told you, this is a 32 Chevy pickup. You got the hand-painted Chevrolet on the back. Got a hydraulic lift for the cover here. That's a nice touch. That's nice paint. Okay, here's a different one. 1987 Land Rover Defender. Four-cylinder, going for $83,000. Got a manual transmission. Yeah, I think you can do some off-roading in this thing and not even worry. It's hard to get back there. Very nice. Let's get a shot of the interior. Yeah, this thing must be fun to drive. Brown interior there. Okay, here we have another GTO, 1966. And this one's going for $75,000. Seems like all the GTOs are going for about the same. Got the V8, of course. Automatic transmission. Nice black interior. Black rugs.
Renegado. 41 puede ser renegado. Mira esa cosita, mira esa cosita.
Ya, pues, ¿de qué año? ¿Del 89?
Del...
It's a nice looking car. We have a 1975 Corvette. This one is sitting all by itself. So it's nice and easy to go around. Paint is very nice. Okay. Looks like it's got like a gray interior in the seats. That's just a car cover right there. You got your removable T-tops there. Luggage rack on the back. Nice side pipes. This one's going for $29,000. Okay, we got a 1928 Studebaker Dictator. This thing is really nice. Got the two-tone paint, black and silver. It looks almost like a museum piece. Okay, but the interior, it's a nice gray. Man, looks very comfortable back there. Boy, a lot of time and money was spent on this thing. It's beautiful. Get a look at the inside from the other, from the right-hand side here. Okay, this one's only going for $22,500. Got the straight six engine. I tell you, that's a good price. I mean, I know you're not going to be driving it everywhere, but still, it's a good price. Okay. Okay, we have a 1957 Chevy 150 wagon. Okay, here's a nice shot of the interior. Got an automatic transmission. Nice interior. You got some pinstriping on the side. A bad 57. That's a nice car. There's a lot of action going on in this place today. A lot of people. Like I said, this one's going for $70,000. Got the V8. '67 Jaguar XKE Series 1.
Yeah, it's just I can't sell a car that's an Hampton to really high first if I can't represent accurately.
Convertible top. This one's going for 170. You got the straight six engine, manual transmission. Black interior. Black convertible top. Boy, these are sharp looking cars. And that's why they go for so much, because you know, the look, and plus there's not too many of these things on the road. It's hard to get parts for them. This thing's in good shape though. I love the back end. Okay. Sharp. Okay, here we have a 1966 Corvette. Yellow convertible. And this one's going for $85,000. You got the V8 manual transmission. I hope you all saw the video that I made about a week ago when I was at Barry's car barn. He had a bunch of nice vets up there. He had just about every year of the Stingrays, and some of the nicest vets I've ever seen.
This is dark blue, right? This is his car.
This is a nice example. Nice looking car.
How many miles?
Here's the interior. Black seats. Everything's black. The rugs.
Conversation.
Automatic. Okay, very nice. That's a fair price for this. Okay, here we have a 1941 Packard 120. This is a whole lot of car here. A lot of metal. It's beautiful. Boy, these cars were like art, like I said before. It's like driving art. This one's going for $95,000. Got the inline 8-cylinder, 3-speed manual transmission. Boy, look at that interior. This wood grain. Look at the way the windshield is. It's like 2-piece. Nice interior. Okay. It's a beautiful car. Very nice. Okay, here we have a 1951 Chevy 3100 series truck here. New arrival. Going for $32,000. It's got the straight six and manual transmission. I like this truck. This is nice. 5-window. Okay, we got the interior. Okay, now you even put a radio in there. Nice. Dolphin gauges. It's a nice truck. Nice wood planks in the bed. It's a good price. The truck's already done. You don't need to do anything. Paint's nice. The body's straight. Look at that grill. Okay, here we have a 1966 Chevelle SS. This one's going for $59,000. Got the V8 automatic transmission. Black interior. Nice blue paint. Body's in pretty good shape. See if I can get around to the other side. Show you the driver's side of the car.
Yeah, but I think you have the tail thing. Yours had.
Very nice. Okay, here we have a 1967 Chevelle Super Sport. Got the 427. This is a pretty sweet car. Got the black vinyl top. Got the Krager wheels. Yeah, it's a beautiful car. Looks like it's got the black interior. I'll show you that in a second.
He won't say no, but he won't say yes.
Do you have the key?
I do not.
Okay, they're asking for 102,000. Let me show you the interior. Everything's black. Black carpet, dash, and seats. Manual transmission. This must be a rotisserie build for that price. It's beautiful though. Good job. Okay, here we have a 1950 Chevy 3100 series pickup. This is really, it's all the way in the back here. It's a nice red paint. They have a few of these Chevy 3100 series trucks. I don't know if you can tell, but there are ghost flames on the front. It's very, very faint. I can barely see them here. That's a nice looking truck. Okay, here we got the interior. Looks like a two-tone brown leather. Okay, and here's the bed of the truck. Sorry, I can't show you the back. It's too close to the wall.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, this one's going for 83,000. Got the V8 automatic transmission. It's a pretty truck. Okay, here we have a 1967 Le Mans convertible. So if you can't afford a GTO, go for the Le Mans. This one's going for 28,000. Got the V8 automatic transmission. And of course, it's a convertible top. Looks like the interior is gold. You got the wood grain dash there. This thing's in pretty good shape. It's a good price. And like I said, if this was a GTO, you'd be looking at a lot more money. Starting some cars up here. Sorry about that. This is a nice car. Okay, here we have a 69 Chevy Corvette. This one's going for 71,000. Nice green. It's got the 427. Four-speed manual transmission. And of course, you got the brown interior, the seats. Carpets look like they're black. course, it's got the removable hard top there. That's a sharp car. Okay, here we have a 1972 Roadrunner. This is a nice car. And we got a nice RT next to it. I'll show you that in a second. Okay, this one's going for $53,000. Got the 400 cubic inch V8, 727 torque flight automatic transmission, and the exterior color is called Hemi Orange. This is a fair price. The paint is nice. That is a nice car. I've just recently gotten into these Mopars, watching Graveyard Cars. That's a pretty good show. I watch it all the time. Growing up, I was always into, I was more into Chevys, but man, I love these Mopars. That's a nice car. Okay, on to the six-pack RT. This one's a 1968 Dodge Coronet convertible RT, going for $70,000. I like the way they make the hood stand up like that. The paint and body look nice. Okay, for the interior, you got your it's all black interior, black dash, black carpet. Almost looks like these seats are original. I don't know if they are or not, but they're in pretty good shape. It's got that, you know, that style though, you know, from the 60s and 70s. The convertible top still looks like it's in good shape. And the glass. I know it sounds like a lot of money, but these cars are getting, you know, more and more rare, and it's hard to find them. That's why the price is on the higher end, but I think this is a pretty good price for this car. It's got some nice wheels on it. Okay, here we have another Chevy 3100 series pickup. This is a 55. You can tell that it's got the air ride suspension. It's all the way down now in the front. This one's going for $89,000. Got the turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 466 V8. That's a whole lot of engine right there. Holy mackerel. Okay. Okay, I got to go around the back to show you the interior. Okay, here's the back end of the truck. Look at those tires. Okay, you can tell this has obviously been tubbed out. When you look at the bed, the wheel wells there, the inner wheel wells. Okay, there's your air ride suspension there with the pump and tank. Oh wow, look at that interior. Nice bright red. Very nice. This thing must be fun to ride. It's a rocket on 4 wheels. My goodness. That's a big engine and not much weight on this thing. Okay. Well, I think that's it, people. I hope you enjoyed the video. My next video is probably going to be another car museum in Philly. I'll let you know about that, but I'll probably be going out there in like a week. I'll let you all know. All right. I hope you enjoyed and take care.